Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify uptime monitoring with UptimeRobot for VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify uptime monitoring with UptimeRobot for your VPS, start by visiting the UptimeRobot website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button and following the registration process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Click on the Add Monitor button to create a new monitoring check. In the Monitor Type dropdown, select the type of monitoring you'd like to perform, such as HTTPs, keyword, or ping. In the Friendly Name field, enter a name for your monitor that clearly indicates what you're checking. Next, input the URL or IP address of your VPS in the URL or IP field. Set the monitoring interval based on how frequently you want checks to occur. Choose your notification settings to determine how you'd like to be alerted in case of downtime. You can add multiple notification methods, including email or SMS for instant alerts. Once you've filled out all necessary information, click the Create Monitor button to finalize the setup. Now, your new monitor will begin running and checking the uptime of your VPS. Return to the dashboard to see the status of your monitor, which will indicate if your VPS is up or down. You can view detailed logs by clicking on the monitor name to see historical uptime data. If you need to tweak any settings, simply click on the monitor and make the necessary adjustments. Regularly check your dashboard to stay informed about your VPS's uptime status. Consider setting up additional monitors if you want to track different services or applications hosted on your VPS. Now you are successfully monitoring your VPS with UptimeRobot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.